lovely wagon. Iconic, Ian calls it.
We call it.
A bit of fresh paint, looks a bit more grey. Don't know about better, but it looks grey. This one here, the new fuel. This one's going out on the job as well. The new fuel, has it eaten the float, plastic float in the carburettor. Then we've got this one here with no clutch, just to make it a bit more interesting. What do you think of this one, Del?
This is fucking dog shit.
Car starts first time almost. Choking it.
So I think this is out of fucking petrol or something else.
Watch those forks. Just bring it over here. You put it there, we'll get past it. Well, that ain't gonna come down, is it? In theory. Oh, you don't. Now you can get to this pipe. Look. Don't even need to take this off. In theory, if we. Yeah. Oh, it depends where we can get to that back one. Should be able to, maybe. So the first problem: blown hydraulic hose on the clutch. Go on then. clutch works. It's not a massive amount of up and down movement, it's backwards and forwards. But we think we found our problem. I reckon when that's back or forwards, it's not engaging onto that shaft. Yeah. That's why he thinks that there's no clutch. The clutch is actually doing its job, it's just that it's not engaging onto the drive shaft that goes into the gearbox.
Yeah. See, I know it's totally different, but on my mid this nut was loose, and it's that nut that puts the preload on those bearings.
See something there. You can't get past that fucking. It's a big block, that fucking piece there. Oh, there you go. Right. If you rotate the engine to the anti-clockwise from your side, right, till it locks off, and then I'll see whether I can get the clutch adjuster spanner in there. Yeah. That's my leg not fucking wanting to go down in that corner again. Automatic. Okay, rotate the engine a bit, Dale.
Yeah? Okay. Oh, fuck.
You got a bloody bit of contortionist to get in here.
Bit more. Whoa! Clutch down. Oh no, can't do it without that part. Put that. Yeah. Well, shall we check how far we've got?
Yeah, we did get a much half a turn on that really.
Right, take your thing off the front of the engine. Take it off, yeah?
Yeah.
There. Falcon. Yeah. It's a bit more, right?
Tiny.
See, the holes there are what we've got to try and wind in on that, like grinder spanner, and then it takes the lower ring, winds that in, pushes the pressure plate further towards the clutch. We think.
Yeah.
So you're just living in hope, mate.
Well, we're doing something right.
We think we're going in the right direction.
Oh, that's better. I can get it in the
If
other
not,
way.
we've got to go all the way back round again the other way.
Well, the shaft, there was no nut on the end of that shaft down there for starters, so that on the flange, so that shaft was trying to pop out. The clutch needed adjusting, and it was so rotten in there it wouldn't return back to the engaged position. So we've freed up everything we can. The clutch now seems to work, and when you take your foot off the clutch, it is now engaged with the flywheel. So the only thing to do now is stick it all back together and see if we've got drive. Well, everything back together in theory. Need to test that it works.
Seems to work.
Right. That's the noise.
Right.
You heard that, didn't you?
Yeah.
Did you just...
Try and drive it up and down the lane and see what difference whether the touch works. If something goes pop, then we know it's no good, is it?
If something goes pop, I won't have a leg.
I think you'll be safe. That's what the postman looks for. Go on then. I think we've fixed the clutch and the other problem is in there. Straighten up. Well, what are we putting it in the front of this one?
And over the top.
I'll clean the plug.